Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can connect Stripe with Shopify. So let's jump right in. So first things first, you'll need to have an active account on both Shopify and Stripe. If you don't have them yet, go ahead and create those accounts before continuing. Once you're signed in to your Shopify dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on the Settings option. Under Settings, select Payments. Now, on the Payments page, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Choose a Provider. This is where you'll find Stripe, as it functions as a third-party payment provider for Shopify. After clicking Choose a Provider, a list of available payment gateways will appear. In the search bar, simply type Stripe and select it from the list. Once you click on Stripe, you'll be redirected to a new page where you can begin linking your Stripe account with Shopify. Here, you'll be prompted to either log into your existing Stripe account or create a new one, if you haven't done that already. After logging into Stripe, you'll need to authorize the connection between both platforms. Stripe may ask for some details like your business information and banking details if they're not already added. Once the connection is confirmed, you'll be redirected back to Shopify, and Stripe will now appear as your active payment provider.